Hi everyone. In this video, I'll walk through a custom software I built for a trucking repair company based in Chicago. It's designed to help them manage vehicles, truck repair progress, assign tasks to mechanics, and log working hours all in one place. Let me show you how it works. So this is the home page, and here we have waitlist, in progress, completed, and this button is for the adding new jobs. So when new vehicle comes to our shop, we are clicking here. So here we can choose what status is for this vehicle or this job. So here we can choose, is it waitlist, in progress, or completed, but let's make it flow naturally. So this vehicle will be waitlist. Here we can choose truck or trailer, but we can also add here more types of vehicles. So if your workshop requires more type of vehicles, we can add it here. And here it goes priority of this job. So is it low, medium, high? This time we'll make it high. Win. So this is the code win. We can put it here, for example, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Make, for example, 18. This is the year of production of that vehicle. So unit, something that is unique for this vehicle. So I'll put it 1212 this time. Image URL, here you can add images of your vehicle that you are repairing or to show potential future customers how did you do something during the repair process. So company, this is the company who owns this vehicle. For example, we can put prestige, and mileage. If you want, you can put here mileage of that vehicle. So we'll save it. Then this job or this vehicle goes in waitlist. So here we see that vehicle or the job, and here we can edit or delete if you want, if you made a mistake here or something else. And here we can see also job done. So when all tasks in this job are done, here we will have a date that shows when this job is done. And build, this is the build can be completed or can be empty. So if accountant person goes through all of the tasks then and marks them as build, here will be completed. So let's go into details to see what else can we do here. So this is the details page of that job or of this vehicle. So as a super admin, I can create here tasks, but if you are just employee, we can hide this button so it won't show to your employees. So as a manager, you can create task, for example, I don't know, change the oil description. Here you can add how to perform this task, but most of the employees will know how to perform this task and what to do here. Parts, here you can put parts that are going for this task, and this is very matter for the accountant person when later comes through all of these tasks and check parts. So for example, I don't know, mobile 1, and here you can put how many times did you use this product for this task. I put it here 2 times. So book hours, this is for the accountant person that is matter, or you will know what book hours are if you are repair shop. So I'll put it here 5, and this task goes in waitlist. We save it, and then this page shows on the display of your employees. So if employee see this task and he want to start working on this task, he will click play, and here he chooses his name, for example Victor, save, and it starts counting Victor's time on this task. And when he's done here, he can click pause. Also, if there are many people who works on this task, you can just add them here by clicking play and choosing another person who works on this task. So when he's done on this task, we can see also here that status of this job changed in progress. And if we go home or back, we see that vehicle here in progress. So again, we can go into details. And so when Victor is done on this job, he clicks pause and then finish. And the status changes in completed, and Victor is done here. And later, accountant person comes here and marks this task as build. And that's it. So if you go back, or if you in this table go into completed, we see that this task or this job is done at this date, and that is build. And here you can search any unit, any job by unit or vehicle by unit. So for example, we can search this vehicle 1212, and we see here what we have done on this vehicle. Here you can see 2 tons because we already had this vehicle but on a different date, and we were working different stuff on this vehicle. And if we go to home page, we also have this button here that are settings. So here we can see time logs of every employee. So when employee clicks start, we see here that he started working on this task, and we see when he clicked pause, and we can see also job where he was working and job title, change the oil as we put. So who worked on this task and duration. So here he was working 45 seconds. But you can also search by name any employee, for example, Victor. And we can see all Victor's stuff here. And for example, we can summarize its duration and see for the selected amount of period, we can see how many hours did he work on the tasks, and we can see if he is able to get bonus if he was working well. So I need to emphasize that this software is custom, so we can change here everything and customize it for your needs. So if you're interested, please contact me. I will show you my contact info in the email or on a LinkedIn if I contact you over there. Bye.